Oh, dude. Let's see those things. Ho ho, baby. Thank you, Sprocket Specialist. W, Tristan, for sear cutting these hubs for me. Man, these things are gonna look so sick. So we just got the covers back from Tristan, my buddy. He got these engine caps and parts and pieces for me, including the hubs. As you can see, just added a little bit more of a factory look, right, Dan?
Sure.
Adds speed, adds looks.
It's more weight, dude.
More weight, I guess. Yeah. Would have to admit that does look good. Come on, bro. Say it.
It's better than stock.
All right, perfect. That's what I wanted here.
But there's no performance advantage.
Yeah, huh? Looks, dude. That's somewhat performance.
Sure.
Got the covers on, heads on. Yeah, that looks clean. Putting in a fresh clutch, OEM. We got some parts that were back ordered, so we're having to throw some OEMs in, which that'll work just fine. Then we'll be able to finish putting the clutch cover on, and then wheels are next. Oh man, this is how we roll. We just watch the bike put itself together. Yes, props to living at home, bro. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Oh, heck yeah. ODI grips and bars. Heck yeah. That's what's up. Best in the biz right here. Slap those bad boys on. We gonna bend these first ride? Some freshy ODIs.
ODIs, but they don't bend that easy.
Dude, ODIs don't bend. They're the best bars in the biz. This thing's about to be rolling. Oh, baby. So clean. Bro, watch this. Watch the sprocket, dude. Can't scratch that, dude. Would you just look at that? Oh. Oh, dude. You approve?
Yeah, that looks good.
Ho ho, buddy. She's a beaut, dude. Well, we didn't really realize that or see that, but can't do nothing about it now. She doesn't leak. Yet. So we're gonna run it for now because we are on a budget and it doesn't leak. So why not just run it? Radiators are getting mounted. She's coming together, ladies and gents. She's starting to look like a dirt bike. Out with the old, in with the new. Clank. She's all getting tight down, nice and tidy. Yeet. Front wheel is being put on. Gold rims, baby. Dang. Oh, yeah. She's looking good.
Oh, it's tight, right?
If you say so. Everything should be tight. Send it. Engine nice. Y'all should use it. Really, dude? Yamalube?
It's good stuff, dude.
Man, this thing's losing like 5 horsepower now.
We're trying to gain power. Break it off. There it goes. Come on. Come on, baby.
Bro. Did you torque that on there?
69 foot-pounds.
So, Yamalube it is. It's okay, girl. Gas tank. Dude, that thing just looks massive, bro. The factory look. It looks good. It's like a 10-gallon. So we were at the point in the build where we're ready to fill it up with some fresh fuel. We just put all the liquids in. Everything should be good to go. The bike isn't totally 100% completed yet, but we're just wanting to fire it up to see if it's going to start up, which I think we will. We're about to find out.
I hope so.
Alrighty, the moment of truth. Come on, Betsy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, blow some blue smoke, baby. Oh, dude.
You're up.
All that for that? All right, well, let me show you how to start a dirt sickle.
You just put the spark plug cap on, right?
I think I put the spark plug cap on.
We're good.
Yeah, we're good. Dude, she feels like a whole different bike now. Oh, dude. She's a runner. She's a runner, dude. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the 2006 RM250 bike build vlog. I just wanted to provide you guys with the content for what it was like going all the way down on the frame on this thing and revamping this whole bike and making it look like new again. I cannot wait to get this thing out in the dirt and provide you guys with some sick content and make this thing sing a song for y'all. So we're headed to go ride this thing this weekend up in Oregon. I don't want to get the word out yet, but we're going to go ride with some cool dudes up there and have a blast. So I'm excited to bring this thing with me. I wasn't too sure. Dan, the man, just gnarly hours into this thing to get this thing ready in time. So thank you, dude. I appreciate it. Thank you all. I wish I could thank all my sponsors right now, but you guys know who you guys are. Thank you guys. Can't wait. Let's go rip it.